habits of excellence, habits of success, entrepreneurship, leadership and management, learning and development, and outlook, mindsets, attitudes. Hello world! Welcome to AskLouieB. You ask the questions, I'll give the answers. Another common fact about our senior leaders and executives, they're busy people. Therefore, start and end your meetings on time. Pays to be in the platform 5 to 10 minutes before you start. Tell them straight what you need from them. I would need your approval on, I would need your decision on. Prepare shorter presentations. This would mean less slides so you can allot more time for discussion, interaction. You are ready for interruptions and you will not go overboard and extend the meeting unnecessarily. Think of the 10, 20, and 30 rule. 10 slides that will last for 20 minutes with font no smaller than 30 for better readability. They're not only business-oriented, they're not only smart and like to talk, they're not only busy, but they're also impatient. So be concise, speak with the least possible words. I went to a client one time, I had a meeting with the president of about 10,000 employees. That's the size of the company. When he saw me, he smiled and just said, "Come." That made an impact on me. With just one word, he made himself clear. Of course, be on point with your answers. And when you make your point, make sure that you have your explanation and your reasons and your data ready. When asked a question, give the answer right away. Do not ever say that will be covered at a later time in my presentation. Answer the question now. You may either give a yes or no, and then possibly say, I'll explain that further when we get to that slide. Prepare to be interrupted. Remember, they like talking. And please do not take it personally if you get interrupted and the discussion becomes so rich and so engaging that you don't have to even complete what you prepared as your PowerPoint slides. I'd rather have an audience that's participating than a quiet audience, right? Because a quiet audience will always make me wonder, are they interested? This is Louie Banta of LJMB. Thank you for watching my video. To watch more videos like this, click subscribe and hit the bell icon below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below, and share it to others.